Welcome to 360-degree machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Butfering 53-inch wide belt sander. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machinery you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is a Butfering 53-inch wide belt sander. It does have a segmented platen, and it is extremely loaded. This is a German-built machine. First, you're going to notice there is a digital height device on this machine. We can simply come in here, hit clear. We could type in, say, let's type in 100 millimeters. Hit start, and it's accurate to plus or minus a tenth. To the right, you have you can open and close digitally without dialing in. It's basically your height control. This is basically going to raise that conveyor up. Right here you do have air wands. This is to actually start that head. Right here you are going to see 1, 2, 3. That is 3 speeds. This is a 3-speed head. You do have a panel cleaning brush on this machine as well. This is to turn your conveyor on. This is to turn your vacuum bed on. And these are the controls for that segmented platen. We're going to take a look at that conveyor real fast. It's reading about 50% of life. We did dress it out. It does have some nicks and some damage to it in areas. It's in fair condition. But again, it is flat, so it is nice and flat. There's nothing that goes through the belt. If we open up the side, you're going to see those air wands right here. We'll turn those on in a minute. You do have, again, your segmented pad. We did test all those fingers. They are all working. There is new graphite on the bottom as well. You do have that quick turret to get back to the grit that you desire. Again, it's nice and clean. The main motor on this machine is 20 horsepower. This front end is a helical grooved drum, and it is nick and defect free. It has nice deep grooves. We noticed that it probably is only about a 1/16 thinner from when it was installed. If we come around back, you can get a better idea of that conveyor. Again, there are some blemishes on it. We're not going to hide that fact, but it is flat. You do have your brush up top. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus. So that is your panel cleaning brush up in there. I'm going to come around and we are going to start that conveyor real fast. It is basically on the slowest speed it'll go right now. To adjust that feed speed, you simply come up to the side here, and you're either going to dial down. Excuse me, that is actually the slowest speed. And then you simply take this handle and turn it up to get your faster speeds. And then finally, we'll turn it all the way up. Nice and quiet. We are going to turn on that head. We're in the lowest speed. We're going to crank up to the second highest speed. third. There's always a little bit of a delay because it's got a Delta star. We're coming to turn your air wands on. It does have a braking motor. However, in the highest speed, it will take longer to wind down than in the lowest speed. And last but not least, you do have your blower for that vacuum table. We'll go ahead and turn that on right now. Again, a fully functional Butfering 53-inch wide belt sander. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.